Hey, don't you eat all my granola.
Hey!
Hey y'all, I'm back. Yeah, I've been gone a while. I'll explain that later. But right now, I'm gonna make some delicious, nutritious granola. Oh, and by the way, look at here. The Bomb Smokes t-shirt. Let's see if you can see the back. So anyway, let's do this thing. I've got about 3 cups of oatmeal here. And I'm using the Quaker Old Fashioned. I like cinnamon in mine. I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to sprinkle it in there. I don't know, about a tablespoon or 2. I got some nutmeg. I'm going to sprinkle in there. Like a lot of nutmeg, but you put it in there however you like it. I got a little bit of ginger here. Just going to sprinkle some of that in there. I've got some ground up flax seed here. Put about a handful in like that right there. And I'm not sure how this is going to taste in here, but I've got some nutritional yeast. I'm just going to put a small handful. Gonna whisk all this stuff up and get it mixed up real good. And I've got my oven preheating to 350. I probably don't really need to do this. I'm going to put, I got a little bit too much brown sugar. I'll probably only put about half of this in there. That's probably about a tablespoon brown sugar. I got some pecans, some dried fruit, dried bananas, and a few other assorted nuts. I got about a little over a cup maybe. I'm going to put that in there. Okay. I'm going to mix that around. I got about 1½ sweet potato that I have left over, and I'm going to put that in there. This will be probably the bulk of my sugar. Take a fork. You can also use pumpkin in this too. I've used pumpkin before. It's pretty good actually. I'm just going to mix this with my hand. I'm also going to add a little bit of this maple syrup. You can use any kind you want to. A little bit of molasses. I got some vanilla from Mexico. I'm going to put some of that in there. Just going to pour probably equivalent of maybe a teaspoon. Okay. So I've got my mixture mixed up real good now. Put it on a pan lined with parchment paper. Now I want this stuff to be nice and crunchy, so I'm going to mash it down a little bit. So there you have it, mashed flat. Put it in there for about 30 minutes. Alright folks, we're going to do a taste test. We got it out of the oven. Kind of break it up a little bit. It's kind of hot, but it's nice and it's firm. It's crispy.
Not walking away.
Oh, that's so good. Here. Try your piece. It's a little warm. That is really good. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh. She likes it. Well, y'all, it turned out really good. But thanks for watching. And I'm sorry I've been gone so long. I've been doing a lot of this purging. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. And man, I'll tell you, it's a job. But I'm going to make a video of that too once I get rid of everything. I'm working on that now. This one was pretty quick to do. Cheers. And health and happiness to all of you. Until next time, it's Dave the Bomb. See you later.